First, let us address potential software-related causes. If you are using applications like VLC and are exceeding the volume beyond 100%, this can lead to audio distortion. It is advisable to keep your volume at a maximum of 100% within these applications to avoid this. A common software fix involves disabling audio enhancements. To do this, right-click on the Start button, then select Settings from the menu that appears. Navigate to the System tab, and within that, select Sound. Now, choose your current audio device. Scroll down the options and change audio enhancements to off. Another crucial step is to ensure your audio drivers are up to date. To do this, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the application. Expand the section labeled Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right-click on your current audio device and select the option to update drivers. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.